G'day guys, welcome to Modwood. We're here at the home show. We've been here for the last 5 years and we'll be here for the next 5. We're an Australian manufacturer. We've been manufacturing for 18 years, so we have a product that works right. Modwood is a wood plastic composite. So we're taking raw, virgin, radiata pine direct from mill, Australian mills. We're kiln drying and pounding that into a flour. That's then getting mixed with, technically, HDPE. Really, your recycled curbside milk bottles. They're brought together, hot melt extruded, and they come out looking like this. 4 colours and 2 sides to each colour, but in reality the boards will end up the same colour on each side, which is the lower intensity side of colour. It's an outdoor weathered environment. So why use Modwood and not normal timber? No staining, no oiling, no splits, no splinters, no termites. Whiteboards, which I'm standing on here, this is the Jarrah, have an R11 grip rating, perfect for outdoor entertaining areas, as is our narrow board, but has a slightly less intense grip rating. We've got lots of samples for you here if you wish. Again, just small swatches. You can order these over the website. Just on the decking page, you'll see order a sample pack and we can send these out to you. We've also got a lot of real life installs out there where you can physically go and see a product that's been done for years and see how it performs. As I said, Australian made, Australian owned, Australian produced, Australian product. Brighton Baths. We're used everywhere. So come on down to the show, we're happy to help. Thanks.